Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can install Samsung Notes on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe up to go into the app screen, and in here swipe across until you can find Galaxy Store. Then tap on the Galaxy Store app. Next, in here I'm going to go back to the home page and I will tap on the search button at the top. In the search text field, put in Samsung Notes and then tap on the search button. Now because I have a spelling mistakes right here, so I will fix that and then type in the search button again. This time you can see it can find Samsung Notes. Now tap on the download button and the phone will go ahead and download and install the app. Give it a few minutes for that to finish. Okay, once it has finished download, it will go and install the app onto the device. And once it has finished, you can tap on the play button and this will launch your Samsung Notes. And from here, you can choose to sync your notes. So it says to sync your notes, allow the phone permission in settings. So you can go in here and allow the permission to sync the notes. So we can go into permission and then allow permission. So maybe allow microphone, camera, music, photos and videos. So give it permission, whatever it's asking for. And then we go back and say allow phone permission. So it needs phone permission. So we go into permissions and then save it. So it requires phone permission and then tap on allow. And then we go back again. And now let's say it's a to sync notes to Microsoft OneNote. So you can see them. I can choose not now. And immediately you can see my phone started to download notes from the online server. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.